I'm gonna be trying some of the vegan food options you can find in Trader Joe's. Look just like regular chicken tenders. This is really good. I would say this is one of the better chickenless tenders that I've tried. The inside looks just like the inside of a crab cake. The cauliflower gnocchi comes unseasoned, so the directions recommend that you put your own seasoning or sauces to it. So I thought, why not review the gnocchi with two of Trader Joe's sauces, the Zug sauce and the pesto sauce. So I split the gnocchi and made half of it with the pesto sauce and half of it with the Zug sauce. You're supposed to cook the gnocchi while it's still frozen. My recommendation is not to toss it so much because it's very soft and can easily get mushy. So this pesto is actually kale, cashew, and basil pesto. It has the same other ingredients as the pesto, like garlic, lemon juice. You could toss this in your pasta, you could add it to pizza or any other recipes that call for pesto. As I'm poking through it, it's very sticky. So it gives the cauliflower a nice basil taste, since the gnocchi just is very plain and cauliflower is very plain if you don't season it. It's really good. I like it. I recommend this combination of the cauliflower gnocchi and the pesto. So this is another sauce that Trader Joe sells already made, the Zug sauce, which I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. And it says it's a very spicy green herbal sauce with Yemeni roots. I've never heard of Zug sauce before, so this is the first time I'm ever trying it. This Zug sauce is made with cilantro, canola oil, jalapeno peppers, chili flakes, garlic, cardamom, sea salt, and cumin seed. Let's give it a taste. It's good. What it reminds me of is sofrito. Like if I poured sofrito on this, it has a very slight spice that is delayed. Like it doesn't hit you right away. As you keep eating it, then you kind of taste the spice, but it's not really that spicy. It's not spicy at all to me. I mean, I guess if you keep eating it, it'll get spicier the longer you eat it. I would use this sauce more with meat substitutes as opposed to the garlic gnocchi, but I mean, it's really good. I guess this garlic gnocchi also took on a lot of the seasoning. I can see the chili flakes in it, and I think that's what's giving it more of the heat than the jalapeno peppers. Trader Joe sells a few vegan options for salad dressing that are made with real ingredients. This is just one of them. Hopefully I get to try the other ones. Maybe I'll do another video where I just try all of the Trader Joe's dressings. But this one sounds really good. I'm gonna shake it up and pour some on this bed of spinach. So it's very thick, so you could tell that this is just like a puree of carrot, ginger, white miso, rice vinegar, and shallots. I mean, it's a thick dressing, but you gotta shake it really well. Sure, get all of it on the spinach. I definitely taste the ginger in it. Taste a little bit of the carrot and the miso. I taste pretty much all of the ingredients. It's really good. I like it. If you don't like ginger, then this isn't for you. But this is, and it's a very light ginger taste. It's not like overpowering anything, but it is the first thing I taste in this dressing. Definitely great for like an Asian style salad. I'll use this on any type of salad. I don't care. Like you can even use this as a marinade for plant-based proteins. It's good. I like it. So this is like a non-dairy version of those like cultural probiotic drinks. This is a mango flavor. So it's supposed to have all of the probiotics all the good bacteria for digestion. Kind of smells like yogurt, but a very liquid consistency. Tastes like watered down yogurt to me. I mean, it's not the greatest. I guess this is maybe an acquired taste. I don't really drink like cultured beverages like this. Yeah, there's definitely mango in it. I mean, you can smell it. But to me, I'd rather just eat the yogurt, if anything. I don't like this one. This is an already made wrap that you can find in their refrigerator section with all of the prepared foods. So this is good if you don't have time to make lunch. Just go to Trader Joe's and grab one of these. Now, if I could get it open, that would even be better. Here we go. I can see the whole chickpeas, sweet potatoes, shredded beets, some lettuce. What I taste right away is the curry hummus. I don't taste anything else. Pretty much the curry hummus takes over the whole sandwich, but it's not a powerful curry taste. It's very subtle, but that's the only thing I can taste. I like curry, so I don't mind it. But if you don't like curry, you may not like this, because pretty much that's the first thing and the only thing I taste in it. I don't taste the individual ingredients by themselves. I just taste the hummus, but it's good. I like it. So I love anything cream filled, especially cookie sandwiches. So at first I didn't think these were vegan, but they clearly say it on the label that they are, and they're just pretty much made with sugar. So I'm hoping these are gonna live up to the expectations I have for it. I could definitely smell the lemon coming out of the bag. It's like a lemon scent. This is pretty big cookie sandwich. It's bigger than what I'm used to. Definitely I could taste the lemon in it. And it's a soft cookie. The cream filling is what's the lemon flavor. The cookie is just a sugar cookie, but it's a soft sugar cookie and it's really good. I could taste definitely the sweetness. I probably couldn't eat more than one of these at a time. And if I did eat one, I'll probably get like a sugar headache from it. So I'll probably not eat so much of it, but it is good. I'll probably just eat half of it. But I really like it. It's good. It's just like a nice sweet cookie, but I could taste that this has a lot of sugar in it. So these are the chocolate version of the lemon cookies, and these are actually brownie cookies, and the cream is vanilla. So with me, you can't go wrong with a sandwich cookie. Hopefully these aren't as sweet as the lemon cookie sandwiches were. Definitely I can smell the chocolate. It's like one of those chocolate on chocolate cookies, and it has chocolate chips in it as well. So definitely a lot of chocolate going on in here. So chocolate brownie cookie, chocolate chips, vanilla cream. Let's see. I like the vanilla cream filling in it. The brownie cookies are really good, especially with the chocolate chips. I mean, it's a good combination if you want like a creamy brownie cookie. Definitely, I can tell this has a lot of sugar, and I have to pace myself on this one. So I'm not gonna go crazy trying to eat the whole cookie because it's just too sweet. These sunflower butter cups are hard to find in Trader Joe's. I've heard great things about them. When I went to go look for them, I had to go a few times to Trader Joe's to look for them because they were always sold out. So I'm finally happy that I got my hands on these. And people rave about these online, so I'm hoping they're right about it. And because normally I don't really like things like Reese's peanut butter, but also it's because I don't like peanut butter as much as I like almond butter and other nut butters. Oh, it looks just like a Reese's. So there's 2 in every pack. Let's try it. I like this better than like a Reese's peanut butter cup. And it's made with dark chocolate, so you can definitely taste the pure chocolate in this. But it's really good. Like I can see all of the sunflower butter in there. And it's definitely more sunflower butter than chocolate. I would definitely recommend this, and I would get it again. It'd probably be hard to find because a lot of people are buying these, but definitely worth it. So that was a lot of options from Trader Joe's, and that's not everything. There's still more vegan and plant-based foods that they offer. So my favorite out of all of the foods that I've tried in this video and the previous one, I would have to say definitely the chickenless tenders, the veggie spring rolls, the sunflower butter cups, the cashew fiesta dip, and definitely the cashew vanilla bean yogurt. These are the ones I probably will definitely buy on a regular basis. Everything else was pretty good, but these are my favorites. Have you tried any of these foods that I've tried from Trader Joe's? And which ones are your favorites, or which ones would you like to try? Let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, go ahead and click on that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more episodes of binging and for cooking videos as well. And hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. Also, if you're not following me on social media, go ahead and follow me right now at Rican-Bingin on Facebook and Instagram. So while I figure out how I'm gonna eat all of this food from Trader Joe's, why don't you check out another episode of binging by clicking on the video right here, and also subscribing to my channel right here, because there's gonna be another episode of binging coming out next week and you don't wanna miss it. And I'll see you in the next video.